Okay, a few things. Glossary first, how to use the glossary. So there's a code, there's an access key within the text document, and that's what's important for up here. So if you create a new activity and it doesn't have the glossary in there yet, you just toss in the secret keys, both secret keys, put them both in here, and you click load, and then whatever glossary that you had will load for that new activity. And you got to make sure this is all the same up here. I assume the glossary name matters too. And if you want to add a definition, not too bad. So we just do a test word, test definition, and you do have to. There's a lot of save buttons. You have to make sure to click this save first. It tells you to make sure you do something. So you come up here, you pull out that key that's in there, toss it in there, you save it here, and now we have a new test definition saved down here. Okay, and that's how you use a glossary. It's not too difficult. And now let's see how to add the code font. So let's say we want to make this off campus, not just like this, but make it actually look like the code font in LARA. Edit, source code. Once again, go back to that text document. This line here. And if you notice here it says menu, that is what you want to replace with whatever, with off campus in this case. So let's see, off campus looks like it's right there. So replace that with what I used to, just paste that in there. And replace menu with off campus. But if you just do this, it won't be in line with everything else, it'll be its own line. So what you usually have to do is, if I can find that off campus thing, there it is. Usually the paragraph before it, you have to do this style display inline so that it all is in line with each other. It's a little tedious, but it's what I figured out to do. Display inline, there might be a better way, but this is what I've been doing. And then okay, and bam, you have some code font in there. You save it, and if we preview it, it's like this. And you got to change all the others as well. Days off campus, and there's a lot to change still. But that's how you do that. So glossary, code font, the end.